Hello everyone, this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi once again with a very essential and important topic with you all. आज का जो topic है वो बहुत important है. That is a really important topic because in today's lecture we are going to cover simple past, simple present, simple future. अगर आपको इन तीन tenses की समझ आती है, if you are going to learn today these major three tenses, so don't forget that you are going to cover 65 to 70% of your English, daily life English structure. आपका जो daily life English structure है 65 to 70% वो इन तीन tenses से जो है आती है. Now the most important thing is simple. We are having major three times. हमेशा हमारे पास तीन times होते हैं बात करने के लिए. Either we talk about past या तो हम गुजरे हुए टाइम के बारे में बात करते हैं. Either we talk about present जो अभी या डेली ये काम हो रहा हो उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. और if we are talking about future जब हम अपने future plan के बारे में बात करते हैं then we are using simple future tense. Try not to forget that जो time जो past के बारे में हम बात करते हैं past time के बारे में we are using simple past tense for it. And when we are talking about present time or daily action or habitual action or regular based action, तो फिर हम जो है simple present tense use करते हैं. And when we are going to use simple future tense, it means we are talking about our future time. मतलब ये कि हम आने वाले वक्त के बारे में जब बात करते हैं, future plans के बारे में, predictions के बारे में, then we are using simple future tense for that. Now, what is simple past tense? It expresses an action that occurred in the past. And what is simple present tense? It expresses an action that occurs in the present or actions that happens regularly. And simple future is describing an action that will happen in the future. Coming towards simple past, clearing it first, understanding it, and step by step we are leading towards those two other tenses too. Simple past tense, one of the most important tense, especially when we are describing stories, we have to use. जब हम past stories की बात करते हैं, कोई भी story हम सुनाते हैं अपने friend को, अपने unforgettable moment के बारे में बात करते हैं, और we are trying to talk about our annual day, जो past में जो है हुआ है, उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, या कोई other experience के बारे में बात करते हैं जो हुआ है. एक्सपीरियंस अनफॉरगेटेबल मोमेंट है वगैरह, एक्सपीरियंस इन द पास्ट हुआ है, किसी मैच आपने खेला है उसमें कोई अचीवमेंट किया है, you have to describe it in the simple past. Simple thing is to know about the structure of it. Subject, verb second form and object. Verb का second form जो है ये simple past में यूज होगा, इसका नाम भी simple past है. And what about simple present? Simple present में हम base form of the verb use करते हैं, और जब मैं यहाँ पर आ जाऊँ मैं आपको इसके बारे में भी क्लियर करता हूँ कि कौन से सब्जेक्ट के साथ हमने क्या यूज करना है. By the way, coming towards simple past again, here subject plus verb second form plus object, we are trying to know that our structure is correct or not. For example, I went to the school yesterday. Now many students, they are confused either to use time expression or not. It's good idea to use it. The reason is time expression से clear होता है कि हमने जो है past के बारे में बात करनी है, present के बारे में बात करनी है, या future के बारे में बात करनी है. Time expression is important. If you use it, it's a very good idea. If you don't use it, it's also no problem, but you need to have time in your mind because in simple past time is important. I is subject. Went is the second form of go. Go is the main verb. Went is the main verb, is the second form of go. And the school is the object. Now, another example. She played cricket last Sunday. Every Sunday, you people are going to play cricket, and you're telling about your sister, or you're telling about your cousin that she played cricket last Sunday. She is subject, played is second form of the verb, cricket is the object of the main verb. This is how you are using simple past. Now, many students are confused, sir, how to use the negative structure for it. If you are using the negative, then you should use did not here. Before the main verb, after the subject, you have to use did not, and then you should use the first form of the verb. For example, subject plus did not plus verb, which one form? First form, plus object. Now, for example, I did not go to the school yesterday. I didn't is the short form or the contraction form of did not. I didn't go to the school yesterday. Or I didn't go to school. मैं school नहीं गया. This is used for subject plus did not. जब did not sentence में हो, when we are using did not in the sentence, then by any means we must use base form of the verb go. This is how you are using simple past. अच्छा, इसका क्वेश्चन कैसे होगा? Did जो है beginning में आएगा. Did you go to the school yesterday? Your father is now asking you that did you go to the school yesterday? Questions जो है yes no question है. Short question जब कोई आपसे पूछता है yes no question in the past is did, like this. It is with did. Did you go to the school yesterday? If the answer is yes, then you have to say yes I did. I went to school yesterday. Yes I did. Full stop. I went to school yesterday. So here yes I did. अच्छा, जो mistake majority students करते हैं वो ये करते हैं कि जब did के साथ उनसे question पूछा जाए वो सिर्फ yes बोलते हैं, no बोलते हैं. It's good idea to say yes I did, no I didn't. It's very important to use it that way. I hope simple past is clear to you. Coming towards simple present. Simple present is used for all those actions which happen regularly. जो कि regular base पे action हो रहा हो, we are using simple present tense for it. For example, the structure for it is subject, verb, first form plus object. अच्छा, यहाँ पर he, she, it का जो structure है, he, she, it का जो structure है, इसके साथ verb first form के साथ verb first form plus s, es और s use हो गया यहाँ पर, RIES also. For example, she goes to the school every day or 5 times a week. She goes to the school every day or she goes to the school 5 times a week. Or you are saying she goes to the school twice a week. Now it depends. Subject plus verb is or is added plus object in time expression. This may be time expression important है, you must not forget it. Because आपके time expression से आपके listener को पता चलता है that he or she is using or talking about present or simple present tense. And और स्पीकर के लिए भी आसान हो जाती है if your time expression is every day, every month, Fridays, on weekends, on Sundays. तो फिर इसका मतलब है कि आपने simple present tense यूज करें because you are talking about regular actions or routine based actions. Habitual actions के लिए भी यही है. For example, I usually take tea in my breakfast. It's a habit that I take tea. I don't take breakfast every day. It's a habit that I don't talk breakfast every day. Here you are using the second form of the verb. Here you are using the base form of the verb with he, she, it. You are using s or es. The other example is they play cricket every Sunday. They play cricket every Sunday. It means this thing is happening every Sunday. तो हर एक्शन ये हर वीक हर संडे को ये एक एक्शन बार बार रेगुलर बेस पे हो रहा है. You have to use simple present tense for it. I take water. I walk to school. I see a doctor. I meet my friend on weekends. She plays cricket. He plays cricket. It rains today. This is how you are using simple present tense this way. And when you are using does not here, यहाँ पर जो he, she, it के साथ होगा does not use होगा negative में. In negative you have to use does not with he, she, it. So then the verb base form will not take s or es. यहाँ पर फिर s or es नहीं आएगा. See the example. For example, she does not go to the school on Sundays. She does not go to the school on Sundays. This is how you are saying that does not is used with he, she, it. He does not, she does not, it does not. With plural subjects, with you, we, they, and I, you have to use do not. फिर हमने do not लगाना है. Do not is the contraction form or the short form of do not. Do not or don't. Sorry, don't is the contraction form of do not. And when you are saying I do not go to school, she does not do this, he does not do that, it does not happen like this, depends. But when you are using they, you, we, I, then you have to use don't. For example, I don't walk to school, they don't walk to school, we don't walk to school, you don't take lesson. You don't take lesson. Don't is used in that case. I hope it's also clear. Coming towards simple future, trying to know about simple future, it talks about all those actions as I already mentioned that it is used for future actions, all those actions which happen in the future. So it expresses an action that will happen in the future, and the structure for it we have subject plus well plus verb first form plus object. Well is describing to you, be going to be यहाँ पर use हो रही है to describe the future. Now, for example, she will go to the school on Monday. Means she is not going to school. अभी वो school नहीं जा रही. She will go to the school on Monday. वो Monday से school जाएगी. वो Monday से school जाएगी. अच्छा यहाँ पर he, she, it, you, we, they with all subjects we are using well. सबके साथ हम will use करते हैं. इसका जो negative होगा that is going to be she will not play cricket. She will not play cricket. जब वो स्कूल जाती है तो वो क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सकेगी. She will not play cricket because she will go to school on Monday. She will not play cricket because she will go to school on Monday. I will not take the class tomorrow because I will see my friends. I will meet my friends. See? I will not take the class tomorrow because I will meet my friends. I will not take the class tomorrow. What is the reason? I will meet my friends. So, will not is the negative structure of it, and will is here used for the positive structure. The question, yes, no question for this is in simple present. How will you ask yes, no question? Does she go to school? Yes, she does. No, she does not. Does he play cricket? Yes, he does. No, he does not. और अगर plural subject है, then do they take the class? Yes, they do. No, they don't. अच्छा, ये बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है यस नो क्वेश्चन में जब आप इंटरव्यूज फेस करते हैं और वहां पर आपसे पूछा जाता है डू यू टेक इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज क्लासेस और आप कहते हैं यस और नो, इट्स अ बिट इनफॉर्मल. यू हैव टू से यस आई डू, नो आई डोंट. डज योर मदर स्पीक इंग्लिश? यस शी डज, नो शी डजंट. ऑलराइट, फ्यूचर में फिर यस नो क्वेश्चन कैसे होगा? दैट इज गोइंग टू बी विद will you visit your friends on Monday? No, I don't. Yes, I do. Depends. अच्छा, सिंपल पास्ट के लिए आपने टाइम एक्सप्रेशन याद रखने हैं, लाइक लास्ट मंडे, yesterday, last month, last week, etc. ये टाइम एक्सप्रेशन पास्ट के लिए है. प्रेजेंट के लिए एवरी डे, एवरी मंथ, एवरी वीक, एवरी संडे, एवरी फ्राइडे, लाइक दिस. फ्यूचर के लिए कमिंग मंडे, कमिंग संडे, इन द मार्च, in 2023, in 2024, XYZ, they are the time expression for the future. I hope simple past, present, and future is clear to you. If there is any query, I know there will be a bit confusion in few things because you are basic learners. जो बेसिक लर्नर्स होते हैं उनके लिए तो ज़्यादा होती है confusion. ये डिटेल में मैंने एक्सप्लेन नहीं किया. इंशाल्लाह in the next video I'll try to explain them in details. But if you learn this much, अगर आपने इतना भी सीखा तो 65 to 70% आपकी English structure जो daily life में use करते हैं, that is going to be very much easy for you and correct. Yeah, if you are having correct structure, your language is going to be correct. You'll speak correctly and people will understand you easily. If there is any query, if there is any question, if there is any confusion, you're most welcome to ask me in the comment box. See you with the new lecture and fruitful lecture next time. Have a great time. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Thank you for bearing me.